What's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. I'm absolutely amazed. We got a massive package to open. Let's get right into the video.
Here we go. Okay, so this is I need to figure out. Hold on a second. How does this work? Oh, maybe we have it upside down. We might have it upside down. Yeah, we do. Of course you do. Here it is. Here's the pull tab. Looking for. Oh my god. Come on! There we go. Okay. And now we can lift the big behemoth and
oh my god.
And this is what I'm wondering about. They're using the Pro Display XDR wallpaper on this. That's the wallpaper for the studio display in the background. It's spelled studio, so I don't know why they didn't use that on the product marketing. But that's besides the point. We just had all our lights knocked down because of this, but let's go. Pull the tab.
We gotta be careful.
Woo! Okay, let's lay it flat. This is natural unboxings, not scripted or fake. This is natural.
Oh my god.
And here it is.
Here is.
This is the same as the way we unboxed the iMac. Oh man, that's heavy. Okay.
Wow.
I don't know how to grab hold of this thing. Move the box to the side. I'll put this thing here. Okay.
Okay, let's look in this compartment. What's this?
We got paperwork. What the heck is that?
It's stuff.
Let's see. Oh, power cable. And come on, Apple sticker. Yeah. No way. In the unboxings that I watched, they were not black. I can assure you, the Apple stickers that they got were white. No way. Black Apple stickers.
So, wow, this is actually a huge...
I almost want to keep them. Oh, okay. Now I understand. We got... Okay.
Wow, look at this.
This is a Thunderbolt 4 cable for... it's basically HDMI, but this is how you plug into the computer, to the display, to make it work. And let's shove this thing back in here.
So, that is huge.
And let's close this up. This smells great.
So, here's the studio display.
And there's a little goodie bag thing on the back, which we'll take a look at. I just ripped this.
Man.
There we go.
Really?
According to the videos I've watched, the power cable is locked in. You cannot take it out, which I find interesting. An interesting move by Apple, which I've never seen before. And let's get this thing out of here. And we'll put this down. Why does this smell like... Power cable smells like cigarettes. Smell that. It smells like smoke.
No, that's not smoke.
That's weird. Anyways, let's get a load of this. Here we go.
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
Probably can't even see my face. I gotta see what I'm doing here. This is using the iMac stand, and it does not have the nano texture display. This is just the base model. Come on, there we go. And
you want it nice and gentle.
Here it is. Oh, and of course it's got a sticker on the front. Wow. Okay. Let's spin this around. Here it is. And 3, 2, 1. That is clean.
Wow.
That is clean.
So this is the
studio display.
This is insane. We don't want to get any scratches on it.
Clean this is.
Yeah, it's very clean. Wow, this is more clean than that.
So this is the display, and it's looking real nice. And if you want to give it a nice cleaning, you can definitely do so with the trusty apple polishing cloth, like so, and give it a nice clean. And man, that is beautiful. So now let's go back to the studio.
So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
And we got lots of videos in the pipelines for these computers.
Yes.
So don't forget to check them out. The card up here. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.